So kung bago pa lang po kayo sa ating podcast, I'm Ross Tabalon and I have my co-host here today. So kung hindi niyo pa siya nakikilala, he's always in my channel, lahat. And he's my husband, Mark Tabalon.
Yes,
So,
guys,
yeah.
we're the team behind Ross podcast.
Yes, I agree. And then my husband just recently started his page as well sa Facebook. And if you want a daily motivation, if you just want to improve your mindset, magkaroon ng mindset shift, and that's a perfect page for you guys. And paano kanila mahahanap? Tell
Yes,
our
guys,
audience.
just search my name, Mark Tabilon, and then may dash yun nasa nakalagay MYG, means Mark Your Greatness, and that's the branding that I wanted to have with my personal brand. So
That's beautiful. Mark your greatness.
yeah, and yung tagline nun is Mark Your Greatness, rise above ordinary.
Rise above ordinary. That's
Yeah, which
so
is really good.
beautiful.
Yeah.
So, ayun na nga guys, ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon dahil New Year na next week. So next week may bago na naman tayong guest, January 2nd. Please continue to support our podcast. And maraming salamat sa mga nag-send na po ng kanilang stories dito sa ating podcast. Guys, my team and I, we're kind of searching the best one para po sa inyo din, para hindi po ma-waste yung time nyo. And ang daming transition na mangyayari. For sure, we will be traveling across the globe too to feature or document yung mga may magagandang kwento para po sa inyo. Maraming salamat for your continued support sa ating page, sa ating YouTube channel. And if you haven't followed me yet, please do so or mag-subscribe na po kayo ngayon dito sa ating YouTube channel, sa ating page, or kahit sa ang platform man po, it's at Ross Tabilon. So, our topic for today, dahil New Year na, for sure, gusto mong ma-improve yung sarili mo or gusto mong mabago yung buhay mo, this topic is for you. Kasi, di ba, pag New Year, may New Year's resolution tayo, pero after 10 days, wala na. Nag-back to normal ka na naman. Di ba? Which is, if you really wanna grow, it's the most painful na grow na kailangan mong gawin, hindi lang para sa sarili mo, di ba? Di ba?
100%.
Growth is the most painful talaga na kailangan mong tahakin. Hindi mo kailangan ng kasama, kundi ikaw lang mismo para sa sarili mo. And my husband here, honestly, he is better than I am when it comes to that. Kasi guys, sinasabi ko nga, lagi kong sinasabi po sa inyo na nandun pa lang po ako sa estado na nagpapagaling pa rin. 'Di ba? Well, it should be 'di ba? Parang learning naman talaga every day, 'di ba? You should have to grow every day.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
Learning is something that you need to do every day.
Forever.
Yeah,
for life.
basically, yeah. So,
Yeah.
lagi ko sinasabi, diba, I'm a student for life.
Yeah, well, we should have. We
Yes.
should. Today, ang topic po natin, if you just want to grow yourself or if you are an inspiring entrepreneur, young entrepreneur, if you want to start your own business journey, well, business not for everybody. Mahirap talaga siya, guys. And we're not recommending it for everyone, diba?
Yes.
And then, but if you think you just want to dive into that, also this topic is for you, or gusto mo lang magpagaling, gusto mo lang i-outgrow yung old you, and you want a better you for this coming 2026, this topic is for you guys.
Yes,
So
yes.
honestly, it's about sorry babe, it's about self-development and self-improvement. So I will ask my husband question about his insight, because yung lagi nga naming sinasabi guys na everyday dapat talaga matuto ka talaga araw-araw, 'di ba? And you're always saying na you're
Yeah, I always say na I'm a student for life. Hindi ako yung tao nagmamagaling. I never do that. And kasi gusto kong, as much as possible, I'm the one asking questions because I wanted to get as much information as I can based on my analysis dun sa mga questions ko. So, if you see me, if you know me, people who know who've known me, I actually ask a lot of questions. Kilala nila akong ganun tao. So,
Okay.
Because the reason being is I wanted to learn as much as I can.
Yes, and I
Di
think,
ba?
and I think that's the best way talaga to go is always like ask question. Huwag kang magmarunong, and sometimes kasi yung iba, yeah, I know that. Yeah, I already know that. Yung ganun na sila agad.
Yes, maraming ganun talaga mga tao. And I just want to make it clear,
Mhm.
not because a lot of people, I'm not the only one who's asking questions. A lot of people are asking questions too because
Yeah.
they wanted to grow. That doesn't mean na hindi sila magaling, hindi sila matalino, hindi sila,
Yeah.
they don't have the experience that you might think kasi sila yung nagtatanong. But it's actually the opposite
I
because
agree.
that person knows something that you don't. If you're the one asking question, you get a lot of information out there
I agree.
rather than telling people, right?
I agree.
Lagi ko nga sinasabi guys, it's binigyan tayo. There's a reason why we have two ears and
One
one
mouth.
mouth
Yeah.
because we're supposed to be listening. I think I heard this from Rob Dial. We're
Yeah.
supposed to be listening more than we're talking. So that's the reason why I'm always asking and then listening. So it's like 10% of my questions. And then after that, I'm just listening to the answers.
Yeah.
So which is good. I've learned a lot so much
Kasi ang
na ganun na
tendency
kayo.
pa, yeah, ang tendency pa nung iba is like when they know something, oh, I know that. And then they tend to cut the people na kasi you know na, parang ganon.
Exactly.
Eh, hindi na sila magkukwento sa'yo, eh, alam mo naman na pala. 'Di ba?
Yes, and you're also not going to be likable as a person that way
Okay, yeah. I
because
agree.
people think that alam mo na pala lahat eh. So
Why would
why are we
I?
having conversation?
That's
So
true. Okay. I'm not gonna prolong this intro. I'm so sorry, guys. So I prepared the questions.
go for
And
it.
then honestly, short lang tong questions ko, guys. Kasi alam niyo naman holiday, and then syempre we just want to spend time with our family,
Yes.
'di ba? You're my special someone natin, ganyan.
True.
So we'll make it quick for you guys. And of course, at the same time then para matuto din kayo instantly,
Yeah,
'di
and
ba?
hopefully we can give you all the information that you guys need
Yeah.
para maging gumagaan naman yung buhay nyo.
That's
Yeah.
true. Tingin mo, ano yung isang maliit na hakbang na pwede nilang gawin this week, alam mo yun, yung paunti-unti,
Yeah.
para simulan yung business nila, kung gusto man nilang mag-business or yung self-improvement or yung self-growth nila?
First of all, I always say talaga na kailangan mo talaga magpagaling muna sa sarili mo before you do anything else.
Mhm.
You have to look at yourself where you are. Kailangan mong tignan kung nasaan ka. Because ang mantra ko kasi when it comes to business, like I want to know where I am so I know where to go from here.
Okay.
Diba? So, check mo
Okay.
muna kung ano yung meron ka ngayon. Analyze everything, surroundings, how you act, how you do your business, basically.
Okay.
Or how would you do your business? So, tignan mo muna kung nasaan ka.
Yeah, when you say tignan mo kung nasaan ka, how can they audit that? Siguro pag bago ka pa lang dito, wala ka pang idea, paano ko kaya sisimulan yung sinabi ni Mark na tignan ko muna, or paano ba? Like
Yeah.
ikaw, how do you audit yourself, or what can you recommend to our audience kung ano yung pwede nilang gawin, alam mo yun, para mas makilala nila yung sarili nila or yung thoughts nila to get that, self-improvement or mindset shift na
Yeah.
tinatawag.
So if I were to break this down
Mhm.
to every details, I think we're gonna be here forever. But first of all, you need to know your niche, yung business na kailangan mong gawin muna. And then once you identify the business that you wanted to pursue or you wanted to have, and then you go back to yourself and say, can I do this?
Yeah.
Diba? Tignan mo muna sarili mo where you are. Are you working 9 to 5? Do you have the job? Right?
Yeah, to make it
Those
sustainable.
kind of things, right?
Yeah.
Yun yung mga kailangan mo malaman sa sarili mo because like, you have to know where you are. You
Mm-mm.
cannot just like, I wanna start a business tomorrow. Let's do it,
Yeah.
diba? And then just follow the path along the way.
Yeah.
Parang
So,
ganon.
yeah, and like what are your recommendation para ma-audit nila kung nasaan sila ngayon? For example, ikaw sa growth mo, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Sabi mo nga you always have to have a data, 'di ba? Ano yung mga
Yeah.
kailangan nilang gawin to start, 'di ba? Syempre, kumuha ka ng pen and paper.
Yeah. So let me just make an example over
Okay,
here.
yes. Thank you.
Anyways,
Okay.
yeah, here's the example, guys. So for
Ganito.
example, if you are working 9 to 5 right
Okay.
now, check if you are one of the toppest employee in your department.
Okay.
Doon ka magsimula siguro. Because if you're not, there's no way you can make it in a business.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Marami kasi sa atin ang misconception kasi nowadays because of social media. It's like if you have a dream, pursue it. Stop whatever you're doing and then just
Oh,
pursue it.
yeah.
I think that's very, very wrong.
I
'Di ba?
agree.
Kasi you know how business works, 'di ba? Once you go full-time with the business, you're competing with millions of people who wants the same thing, who wants to improve the same thing, and who wants to get the same client as you are.
Yeah.
A million of people.
Kasi,
But imagine if you
yeah,
are working currently right now in your department and wala kang matatalo doon, kahit isa, then you should be worried.
that's true,
There's
no?
no way you can make it in a business.
Kasi they're
Marami,
gonna beat you.
exactly. For example, mga clothing store, right? Clothing store, they probably only have like what? How many people in there? Like 10, 20,
Yeah.
not even 50, 'di ba? Especially kung siguro yung medyo malaki rin na clothing store. Every single person over there, can you beat them with speed, 'di ba? With work ethic,
Yeah.
with overtime because you want to get things done that you were supposed to do. Kung ano man yung nilagay sa yung task mo that day. Are you willing to do all of those things? If you can't do those things, there's no way you can make it in a
Oh, so
business.
dapat it's within you dapat talaga, no?
That's how you measure, going back to your question, just that's how you measure kung ano yung kailangan mo talaga.
Yung capacity mo na.
Capacity mo, yeah. And then now you match it with your business. What do you want it to do?
Yeah.
Diba? For us, do you want to do photography? Do you want to do videography? Or maybe in finances, right?
Yeah.
Or do you want to do a buy and sell?
That's
Sa
true
real
kasi
estate.
yeah, kasi yung iba kasi if they think they have the money. For example, meron na silang savings and they're so ready to dive
Yeah.
into business, 'di ba? And mostly talaga, do you think what's the percentage na para maging successful sila? If you have the money but you don't have the right mindset in dealing with all of alam mo yun yung behind the scene talaga ng how business works,
Oh
'di
yeah,
ba?
you're gonna lose yourself, especially
Yeah.
if you don't have the right mindset to go into the business.
Yeah.
Palagi ko nga sinasabi, business is very hard. It's extremely hard to the point that a
Yeah.
lot of people give up halfway through of the business,
True.
diba? Because imagine you're gonna be running a business for many, 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 many years, right? And you're not gonna get paid for a very, very long time, and that's normal. That's just the business. Kung may nagsasabi sa inyo nakikita kayo overnight, good luck, guys. That's probably a scam because there's no such thing.
That's true.
You
It's
will
a
be
small growth
looking,
every
yes,
day.
you'll be looking like 3 to 5 years or even 10 years before you can make money off of your business. And that's just the reality.
Yeah.
Pero yung mga tao kasi, ang alam nila kasi after they register your business, they're good to go. But kung hindi ready ang mindset mo, you're gonna lose. Kasi there's so much that you need to understand when it comes to business.
Yeah.
Diba? Number one, how would you react to all the situation na nangyayari sa'yo? Do you lose your cool?
So that one is the emotion.
Emotion
basically.
yan, kailangan yan. Kasi
Emotion,
kasama sa,
kailangan mo siyang kontrolin.
kailangan, nandiyan yan sa mindset that you need to have that. If you
Okay.
don't have that if you cannot control your emotion, imagine, di ba? Pag nagdadrive ka tapos may bumisina sa'yo, hindi mo na na-control, minura-mura mo na yung nagdadrive sa'yo or sinundan mo na siya or you did crazy stuff about that.
Yeah.
That's just a simple thing that you're not ready for business. If you are that person,
Grow
you are
that.
not ready.
Yeah.
Because in business, a lot of people will mess you up. A lot of people will say something bad about your business.
Oo.
Diba?
Kahit hindi
Kung
nga
hindi
totoo
mo matake
minsan.
yung emotion na ganon, na may nagbusina lang sa likuran mo and then you just, you lose your cool.
That's amazing that you mentioned about that. Because, okay, so number one, if you wanna, sabi nga natin, i-audit mo yung sarili mo.
Yeah.
Number one, maybe check on your emotion, di ba?
Yes.
Check mo kung meron ka pang, yung mga ganun nga, yung mga episodes na,
Yeah.
alam mo, all of a sudden, nag-snap ka na lang, di ba?
True.
Yung
Yeah.
mga ganyan, 'di ba? So,
Yes.
kung gaano ka yung sinasabi nila kung gaano ka long yung PC mo,
Yeah,
'di ba?
exactly. Yeah.
Kung short-tempered ka
You
lang
need to
ba,
be
long-tempered. Kasi guys, imagine you're gonna have different employees and yung mga empleyado mo magkakaiba yung personality ng mga yan, 'di ba? Magkakaiba kayo ng personality. Paano mo sila i-handle isa-isa, 'di ba? So ayun pa lang yun. And then next, when you say emotion, what's next with that one?
So when it comes to emotion, that's yung susunod doon is how you see other people's perspective. Parang paano mo ilalagay yung sarili mo dun sa shoes nila.
Okay.
'Di ba? Because a lot of clients see it differently than what you see.
Okay.
So, kailangan
Yeah.
mong i-match yun. Kasi may masabi man na silang mga criticism tungkol sa business mo, and then you
Mm-mm.
take it personally,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
That's something that you need to improve as well in your
Yeah.
emotion. Diba?
Okay. Yeah.
Kasi a lot of people are opinionated. But if you're
Yes.
not explaining them very well based on where they are, then it could be confusing sa kanila. They might misunderstood yung business mo, 'di ba? So
Okay.
yun yung kailangan mong
So,
kailangan
guys,
mong matutunan din sa
yeah.
sarili mo.
Hindi lang enough na may pera ka to start a business. Nasa
100%.
emotion pa lang tayo.
Nasa emotion. There's so much sanga-sanga kung
I
tutusin when
agree.
it comes to business, because a lot of people don't understand this. When they get into the business, they think it's just A and B. You put A in here, you put in B in here.
Yeah.
But there's a long, long list that you need to understand in order for you to even operate your business. There's so many sanga-sanga dyan.
Yeah.
Hindi basta-basta.
So, next one is like, yung sinabi mo nga, yung alignment, di ba? Yung alignment mo towards other people as well, especially
Yes.
in dealing with hard situation, di ba?
Correct. Yeah.
And then, next with that, like what else can you recommend na i-audit nila? You know, para magkaroon sila ng growth sa kanilang mga sarili.
Yes. So like I said, how you deal with the customer or the clients or other people, diba? And second thing is how you deal with jealousy.
Jealousy, okay.
That's very, very important as well, kasi marami kang makikitang katulad mo na nauna naman na sa'yo,
Yeah.
and then you see their work, they're doing an amazing job, you see their business, they're growing so fast and things like that. Pero
Yeah.
ikaw magsisimula pa lang. And then if in that case, down ka na. Kasi nakita mo ba't sila
Ayaw mo ng ano,
ba't
no?
sila nakaganto? But you gotta understand, these people has been in the business for 10, 15, 20 years or even 30
Tapos
years.
ikaw day one mo pa
Ikaw day
lang.
one mo pa lang. So you have to control that emotion. It comes with yung envy nga, and then yung jealousy. You have to eliminate that too.
Yeah.
Hindi basta-basta yun, especially when you're coming from corporate world, right, where you compete
That's
with
true.
every single person in that department.
Yeah, so if you just
Diba?
wanna know how to combat jealousy and envy, guys, meron kaming previous videos. Bumalik na lang kayo doon, and then makikita nyo kung papaano siya i-combat, 'di ba? May mga solution diyan, 'di ba? So just go back with our previous topics kasi just check on our YouTube channel or my YouTube channel.
Yes, that's
Diba?
my first recommendation. If you can control your
Yeah.
emotion, you can control the game.
Yeah, so yun na yung I think ano pa yung next? Maybe magbigay ka ng last before we move on to the next one.
You have to improve your routine and habitual then.
Yeah.
Yeah, and those are very, very important,
Okay.
right? So
How can you improve that? Like yung habit mo and then yung routine mo, what do you recommend to them na pwede nilang gawin every day?
So what I did, it could be different to other people, but this is something that I've gathered throughout the years with a lot of business owners that I've talked to. Ang ginagawa talaga nila, in-audit talaga nila yung time nila daily.
Yeah.
So they're putting time to, either pagkagising pa lang nila. I don't know what time you're going to wake up. Probably at 5, let's just say 5. 5 to 6, etong gagawin ko. 6 to 7, etong gagawin ko.
Firm ka ba
7
dapat
to
sa time na yan?
You
Kung
have to
sinet
be
mo,
firm.
okay.
Yeah, you have to be
Yeah.
firm. That becomes your routine. Once you become a routine, in 21 days, that's going to be your habit. And
Okay.
hindi mo na titignan yung time talaga. Talagang gagalawin mo na the way how it was for 21 days kasi naging habitual mo na siya. So
Yeah.
those are the things that you need to add dun sa mindset mo rin. Or dun sa development mo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So madami pala siyang sangay, no? Hindi lang din basta-basta.
No,
And
I to be honest, when I get into business, I didn't think that much. I didn't think that far how complicated business is. It doesn't matter kung nagbebenta ka ng lemonade dyan. It's simple as lemonade, diba?
Yeah.
Imagine if you have a lemonade stand and you're going to sell that to people. How are you going to do your marketing on that? How are you going to produce that? Saan ka kukuha ng supply mo when it comes to mga lemonades, diba? After the supply, how are you gonna record yung finances niya?
wait,
And things like that. So
ang galing.
it's
Ang daming
very
how pala, no?
ang dami. Kung nakikita mo yung lemonade stand, it's very simple, 'di ba? Kung sa atin sa mga Pilipinas, Yung mga
Palamig,
nagpapalamig, di ba?
ganun. Oo.
So, it's very basic, it's very simple. Pag nakikita mo silang kumikita doon, oh, nandali lang naman pala.
Pero
But
pag
there's
ginawa mo
so
na
much.
yung
Pag ginawa mo
action,
na, there's so much. There's
yeah,
so much that you need to understand when it comes to
namamalengke pala
business.
sila ng madaling araw para lang may
100%.
push yun.
Yeah. And then paunahan pa pala sa mga
Oo.
supplies, 'di ba? Yung mga ganon para lang makakuha ng magandang deals.
And sorry babe ha, to cut you. And you'll
Yeah.
never know until you get to that point.
No, you have
It's just
no
so easy
idea.
to see it
Yeah.
talaga. Parang ang dali naman ang ginagawa niya. Ganun lang. Pero pag
Exactly.
ikaw na yung sa execution, ikaw na yung
Yeah.
gumagawa ng action, ang hirap and yun yung dapat mong i-beat, di ba?
You have to,
Yeah.
yeah. That's how you beat everybody.
Yeah.
Titignan mo,
Okay.
i-audit mo talaga yung mga ginagawa mo daily. Because that's a very, very important. Ito kasi yung naging karanasan ko sa business.
Okay.
Nung una, nung naging full-time ako, I was just like, okay, I have all the freedom in the world. So I was
Sure.
just, whatever the flow takes me, I'll just go there.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Akala ko
So
ganun
nasubukan
lang
mo rin
yun.
pala yung go with the
Nasubukan ko
flow
yun, yeah.
until you became the current.
Until you have to go through the current talaga.
Yeah.
So, and then you create your own path through that current.
Yeah.
Kailangan mo talaga. Otherwise, you're not gonna last in business.
Wait, so ito yung question ko pa sa'yo next.
Yeah.
Kasi you've been into corporate, di ba, na mga job din,
Yeah.
ganyan. So, napansin ko lang guys, I don't know if you guys are aware too, pero
Mhm.
usually pag nag-work ka kasi and then madami kayo, mga kasama mo na empleyado,
Mhm.
minsan, siya naman yung gagawa niyan, ba't ko gagawin? Yung mga ganong mindset.
So,
Like,
yeah.
sorry babe ha.
Go ahead, yeah.
So, yun nga, gusto mong improve yung sarili mo and gusto mo na pag ikaw na yung nag-business, ano yung ma-incorporate mo doon na yung mindset na ganon? Yung parang, hindi ko naman trabaho, yan siya na magtatrabaho. Parang ganon.
Yeah.
Hindi naman binigay sa kanya, hindi naman ako inatasan dyan, ba't ko gagawin?
Yeah.
Anong take mo doon?
So, let me just
yeah.
give you an example of
Okay.
how I did in my corporate jobs before,
Okay.
diba?
Okay.
Back then, when I was working at my corporate job, I always wanted to be the number one.
Mhm.
Anything that I do, it doesn't matter kung what is picking boxes, kung nagano man ako, ang tawag dun, yung naglo-load or something like that.
Mm-mm.
Anything that I touch in that area, sa department namin, I want to be the best.
Yeah.
Because you know what? Doon ako nagpapagaling. That's my training ground. Diba?
Mm-mm.
Like I said, imagine, you're going to compete with millions of people outside that corporation once you went full-time with your business.
Yeah.
Mayroon lang kayong 50 tao doon and you cannot even beat every single one of them. And come on, there's no way you can make it out there.
That's true.
Right? Social media alone, competition with social media alone, there's so much.
Yeah.
Diba? Ang daming magagaling na mga content creator dyan.
Yeah.
And then these people are being hired by a bigger corporate
I agree.
to do their, their social media contents, right? And that alone, you're competing with so many people already. There's so many young ones out there who's making a lot of contents that goes viral.
I agree.
Diba? Imagine that. And tapos nagko-complain ka pa sa department mo because, I don't get enough paid. You know what? May lalabas akong shorts. I don't know when, but I already created it. What I said there is like, you need to be the best talaga dyan sa department mo in order for you to grow because it has nothing to do with the company. It has nothing to do with the people working there. It has everything to do with you. Kasi yun yung growth mo eh. Yun yung training ground mo eh. And that's binibigay ni Papa God sa'yo yan para subukan ka.
Yeah.
Diba? And you cannot beat every single one of them. There's no way you can make it out there.
That's true.
So, ganun yun. Ganun yung always mindset ko.
Yeah.
Marami akong katrabaho dati na nagreklamo sa, I don't get paid enough. That's not on my paycheck.
That's true, no.
Imagine that kind of mindset. If your mindset is like, okay, it doesn't matter if my
Pato
paycheck,
dun. Yeah.
if it doesn't matter if kung binabayaran ako ng tama, we're the same, we're team here. Let's work
Yes.
together. Ano bang pwede kong itulong sa'yo para mapabilis yung trabaho mo? And
Yeah.
things like that. Be the leader.
I
Diba?
agree.
Teamwork lang. Yun talaga yung pinaka-importante because
Yeah.
in business, you're not gonna make a lot of money on your own.
That's
You
true.
have to have a team. If you cannot work together with the team because you're not getting paid enough,
Mhm.
hindi, for me that scenario doesn't make sense.
And do you consider that as a challenge as well to yourself? And alam mo yun, form of growth din siya.
100%.
Diba?
Yeah, I always challenge myself.
Yeah.
Kailangan mo
Feeling ko
i-challenge
din.
yan. Every day you have to challenge. In
Yeah.
order for you to become successful, you need to become 1% better than you were yesterday. And that's what I've been doing for so many years.
That's true.
Diba?
Kasi yung iba, parang hindi na nila tinake advantage na nandun sila sa trabaho nilang yun ngayon eh. Kasi it might resonate sa'yo sa future mo, di
It
ba?
will make sense.
Yeah, it will make sense for
Yeah.
sure. Kaya kunyari, hindi ka marunong mag-computer, dahil natatakot ka magkamali, hindi mo na trinay.
Yeah,
Di ba? Or dahil hindi mo work yan, hindi mo na trinay. What if,
exactly.
mas maganda nga yung pakilamero ka minsan.
Yeah.
Kasi mas madami kang matututunan.
Marami kasing, especially sa mga co-workers mo minsan marami naiinggit talaga. If you're doing a lot of things to improve yourself in that corporate,
Yeah.
and then nakikita talaga ng mga leaders yung mga yan. And then,
Oh,
hinuhone nila yung mga yan.
yes.
Kasi they see the
They see the
potential.
potential and
They see the
mindset.
potential, and what they're gonna do, they're gonna pull you up and make you even better person.
Pero kung tatamad-tamad ka,
Pero yung mga taong katrabaho mong naiinggit, what they're gonna say? Kissing asses. It's like sip
sip-sip.
sip. That's the most logical thing that they can say because hindi nila alam yung ginagawa mo eh. Hindi nila alam na nagpapagaling ka. Hindi nila alam na nag-stay ka just to make sure everything is done according to the way how you want it, or how your, yung supervisor mo or managers mo or leaders mo,
Yeah,
how they want it to get things done.
I agree.
Diba? So that's the leader of that's the mindset of a leader.
That's true.
Diba? If you don't have that, there's no way you can stay long in the business.
Yeah.
Pag nag-quit ka na. And here's another thing. Marami na akong actually nakausap ng mga taong ganito eh. Like, pag may ipon na ako, doon pala ako mag-quit. That will never happen.
I think we're gonna, yeah, I think okay, sige, just
Yeah.
talk with that until we cross that bridge, and then I'm just gonna disregard it. I think may question din ako ng ganyan. Pero, ayun nga, like, hindi ka talaga magiging ready, di ba?
No, you will never ready. Either you do it now or you'll never ready.
Or just prolong it.
Prolong it. If you tell me na magkukwit ka pa lang pag may pera ka na, that'll never happen. What I did was incredible actually. I put deadline kung ano yung last day ko sa trabaho.
Oh.
And that's what I did.
Yeah.
Nilagyan ko siya ng deadline. And that's very, very important, guys. If you want
Mapipressure ka kasi.
if you want advice, this is the biggest advice that I've gotten to a lot of people.
Yeah.
Everything that you do in life, you put deadline.
You have to.
If you don't put deadline, for example, I'll do it next week. When is next week? Is it last day of the week? Is it in the middle of the week? Or is it in the beginning of the week? It's the same thing, guys.
Yeah.
If you say if you say I'm going to do it next year, when is next year?
That's true.
December 26th? That's when you're going to quit? No, you have to put a deadline. Otherwise, you won't be pushing yourself pag malapit na yung deadline.
That's true.
And another thing that I wanted to add as well, yung mga New Year's resolution, I don't believe that. Yung mga New Year's resolution. Is there anything in your question that says that?
No.
Okay, I want to talk
But
about
we're
that.
talking about this for yung mga gusto mag-start for their New Year's resolution.
Yeah.
But you don't believe in New Year's resolution? Okay.
I don't believe in
let's
New
talk
Year's
about that
resolution.
then.
Yeah, the reason why I don't believe that is the people is giving time themselves to reach a certain thing,
Yeah.
diba? And that time is 12 months. That's their New Year resolution. Now, if you put 12 months because your New Year's resolution say, oh, I wanted to achieve this certain, probably sa workout mo, I wanted to achieve a perfect body in like December 2026, or I wanted to achieve this certain amount of money or income sa business ko in 2026.
Yeah.
Diba? Yun yung kasing pagkakamali ng ibang tao eh. Did you know that you can shorten that up? And did you know that you can start it right away? You don't need a new year. You don't need.
Totoo.
How many days are we far away from New Year's? Like we still got like a few more days. Why don't you start now? Why would you wait until I don't know when's the New Year's, like few days from now?
Do you think it's
Right.
just the bitch inside you? Minsan excuses. I mean, yung excuse inside you na sinasabi, oh, I'll start New Year na lang.
I think there's a lot of misconception kasi sa mga tao. Eh.
Yeah.
When you get to this point, kung nasaan ako ngayon, you'll realize that there's no Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday on the calendar. It's just working today. What can I get it done today?
Totoo.
If I wanted to start something, it has to be today. It's gotta be today.
Yeah.
I don't wait for New Year's resolution, New Year's Eve, or Monday to start something. If I have an idea and I want to start now, I'll do it right away. And you see me do that a lot of times. I don't
Yeah.
wait for even we put boundaries with my wife and I as well. Sunday we're not supposed to be working.
Yeah.
But you know what? When idea comes in, I'm on my computer, I'm working.
That's
There's
true.
no way I'm waiting until Monday.
I know, right?
And that's the
Yeah, 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 yeah.
reality.
That's
And
the reality.
that
Yeah.
should be your mindset, guys. Don't
Yes.
wait for any longer. And don't always put dates. Especially sa mga tao na nakakausap nyo. I hate when people tell me it's like I'll do it next week, or I hate when someone tell me it's
Next
like
week na lang.
next week na lang.
Kailan yung next week? And
Tell
then
me
hindi pa
once
din
next
sila
week. Is it Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, or
Give me
Wednesday?
date and time. That's it.
Exactly. So I know hindi ako yung maasa na
Kailan ba yung
parang
next?
parang ganito na lang sasabihin mo. Okay, let's have a meeting next week. I want to be there on time. Don't be late. Let's go next week. And then anong gagawin mo? Mag-aantay ka doon for the whole week kasi wala kang nilagay na time frame. And that's
Yeah.
the problem with a lot of people. And I wanted to share that with you guys. And then I think I heard an article, or I've seen
Yeah.
a TikTok na it's about Elon Musk, 'di ba? Mayroon ata nung binili niya ata, if I'm not correct me if I'm wrong, but I think nung binili niya yung Twitter, may kailangan siyang tanggalin doon na chips. And the engineer said that it's gonna take 6 months to do it.
Yeah.
You know what he did? He flown to that place, kung nasa man yung server na yan, he ripped off everything and it was done in 3 days.
Yeah.
Right? Because that 6 months na sinabi mo sa sarili mo, your body will follow that time frame. It's gonna take 6 months.
See the execution and
But
action there.
that's why he's a billionaire,
Yeah.
because like he will not wait for 6 months if he knows that there's always a way to do it in a short amount of time.
There's always
So
a
it's
way.
the same thing with business. Pag sinabi mo, naglagay ka ng, oh, I want to make certain amount of money in 12 months.
Yeah.
Why not in 3 months? Why not in 2 months? That's not realistic. Of course it's not. But it's possible.
It is.
Diba?
Just
Pero ikaw
pressure
naglalagay kasi ng time frame mo. So those are the things that I wanted to share with a lot of people, because not a lot of people knows that.
Yeah.
Or not a lot of people know that.
Yeah.
Diba?
And it's weird, guys, because even in my page, I put a timeline to it. But then I
We
surpassed.
did, diba?
Yeah, I did. I surpassed the time.
Yeah, so what we
timeline.
did, Rose and I, we actually, we put time frame over there kung ano yung mga gagawin namin in order for her to grow that page. And by the way, guys, when you're watching this today, by Monday, we're launching her website
Yes,
and her
guys.
master course as well.
I'm gonna have my own master course.
If you wanted to
Yeah.
reach a certain amount of followers, you buy her
Organically, huh?
Yeah, organic, guys. Organic and with a lot of engagement as well.
Yeah.
So we're launching that. But anyways,
Yeah.
yeah,
So,
so
okay.
yeah,
I love you,
yun yung timeline na I wanted to make sure that people get it.
Yes.
Diba? Don't put, kahit sino pang makakausap nyo, guys, doesn't matter who that person is. Always put deadline, timeline, and if you can go in a second, right?
Yeah.
Do it.
And ano yun, guys, kasama yun sa business owner code.
Yes,
Kasi
the business owner
if you're a
code.
true business owner, they're gonna give you that right away.
100%.
Makikita mo talaga, oh, she's a true business owner.
Yeah.
Because she put timeline and date to it. Parang
Yeah.
ganon. Hindi yung, you're so confused, it's so vague, ganyan.
Here's the similarities of business owners and entrepreneurs.
Mhm.
They make decision quick, right? Because they wanted to fail fast
Faster. Yeah.
in order for them to learn from that failure. Diba? Mabilisan lang yan. Everything is about speed.
That's true.
If you wanted to grow, if you wanted to make it out there, speed is everything.
Yeah.
Diba? And then always put a deadline. Kung ano man yan. Doesn't matter what you're doing. Diba?
Okay.
And
Yeah.
you will see people that are not a business owner, because first, they cannot decide. Second, they cannot even give you a timeline. Third, you'll see it right away. 10 seconds pa lang na makikita mo, they'll know.
Yeah.
I will know right away if I wanted to deal with you, or I
Yeah.
wanted to do business with you, because there's certain treats talaga na nakikita ko sa tao, and you know, sometimes, or not sometimes, all the time, they're always firm
Yes.
to what they said,
I
and they
agree.
cannot take it back. And again, once you handshake that person, it's a done deal, even there's no contract, because that's how business owner works.
That's
That's how
integrity.
entrepreneur works. Your words is more than anything than a contract.
Yeah.
So that's your credibility that you need to protect as well. Now, if tao lang naman tayo, hindi naman tayo perfecto. 'Di ba? If you said something that you're going to deliver that day, you cannot deliver it, just go ahead of time and apologize.
And
'Di
honor
ba?
it,
And
'di ba?
honor and be like,
Yeah.
hey, I'm so sorry, I messed it up or I effed up,
Yeah.
but that's
Taking
it.
accountability.
Yeah,
Yeah.
taking accountability all the time as well.
I
So
agree.
these are the true business owners that I've learned over the past years to talking to a lot of business owners.
Yeah.
So
Ang daming kailangan improve, guys, 'di ba?
there
And
is.
parang sabi ko nga, I usually tell to my husband na parang hindi enough yung 24 hours to grow you
Yeah.
as human being. And especially grow your business as well. And at the same time, do some other tasks as well that you needed to do as a human being.
It's not, you know what, it's not easy.
It's not.
And once you map out yung buong araw mo, you'll see talaga na, oh, hindi pa, I mean, like, this is very short. I mean, I need more time. Diba?
Yeah.
But that's not how the games work.
Yeah.
The game is stay as long as you can in your business. That's the game. As long as you can.
Yeah.
So kung ano yung magagawa mo today, usually what I do is only 3. Tatlong importanteng ginagawa ko every day. I don't put a lot of like, a 10 list of the things that I needs to get done or need to get done.
Yeah.
It's only 3, tatlo lang, 'di ba? And I learned this from Kevin O'Leary as well when he had a podcast with the I don't know his name, Steven or something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, the CEO diary. He
Yeah.
said this. Si Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs has the 3 the signal to noise ratio. And that's very, very important, guys, because once you become full-time in your business, you're going to be all over the place. Everybody will be grabbing you left and
Yeah.
right? So 3 signal to noise, yung tatlong kailangan mong matapos ngayon, get it done, regardless. Now, mga bilyonaryo lang ang mayroon doon na nakaka-master nun. And it's not that easy. It's hard.
Yeah.
Sometimes your family will grab you, di ba?
Yeah.
Your family, your kids don't have respect of your time because they don't have any,
Yeah.
diba? So if they see you working at home, they'll just grab you and then disrupt you and disturb you, and that's what kids does, diba? Or do. Kasi
Yeah.
wala silang idea the things that you're doing. But signal to noise, make sure that you're focused 100% on one task. After that, focus on the other. After that, focus again on the third one. And once you do that every day, for a certain amount of time, you're golden.
Yeah, you'll master it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And then the next thing you know, you're here. Like going back to where we were, I'm like the first day that I bought the camera, right? And now we have
layo
all
na.
of this equipment. We have this studio. Diba?
Yeah.
Now we have this big clients. Diba?
Yeah.
And now we have your social media,
Yeah.
right? But going back, it was like, oh, one camera, one lens.
Yeah.
That's it. That's how we started our business.
That's true.
Yeah.
Yeah, so next question. See, yung isang question pa lang, sabi ko sa'yo, ang dami na. Para 30 minutes na
Yeah,
sila.
because there's so much that I wanted to.
I know.
There's so much that I wanted to share with a lot of people as well. Obviously, there's a certain level that I wanted to reach, diba?
Yeah.
And there's so much information na gather ko because I'm always dealing with business owners of
Yeah.
how we do things, diba? We're
Yeah.
doing commercials, diba? We're doing corporate videos. Who do we talk to,
Yeah.
diba? Yung mga may-ari. So, and then I get to ask a lot of questions.
Yeah, from
Right?
them. Yeah.
So that's how I learn all of this that I'm sharing to you guys.
Oh,
So
thank you.
if you going to my page, I'm actually getting a bit of those information out there. So
Yeah.
yeah,
So
go follow
win-win.
me, guys, if you wanted to learn more about your mindset and self development. Go ahead. There's a lot of videos that I put up there.
Okay.
Daily.
Next question. Ano yung mindset or paniniwala mo na kailangan baguhin para makausad ka sa life at business?
Ang paniniwala ko na say that again one more time.
Like, ano yung mindset at paniniwala
Yeah.
that do you think they can also apply
Yeah.
na pwede nilang baguhin? Alam mo yon
Yeah.
para makausad sa life at business. So it's both like a normal person like who wanted to have a business and kung gusto na nilang mag-start ganyan.
Yeah. So one thing that I learned throughout the years is no one coming to save you. It's just
Oh,
you.
totoo.
The moment that you remove others to help you out,
Yeah.
the more active you become, the more dangerous you become. When I say dangerous, that means like
Better
you're
person.
become a better person, you tackle all the problems, and then you actually grow yourself because
Wala
wa-
kang asahan
wala kang asahan eh. Talagang yung sarili
Sarili
mo
mo
lang
lang.
talaga. And that's
Totoo.
always been every single business owner that I know, that I've met over the
Yeah.
past, hindi sila umaasa sa iba.
Yeah, so sorry babe to cut you out. Yeah,
Yeah.
totoo. Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung video ni Miss Abby Villanueva, she mentioned that too. It's about the path that you have to pave. Hindi
Exactly.
pwedeng yung asawa ko, pinave niya yung path niya, makikijoin in na din ako sa path na pinave niya.
No.
Hindi ganun yun, guys. Bawat tao, I believe, or I don't know if you believe that too,
Yeah.
we have our own dreams na nabigay sa atin. May kanya-kanya tayong dreams and you have to lang talaga pull it through or you have to push it with your own way and na kailangan mo ding i-pave, di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi hindi ka pwedeng kumuha ng mga construction worker to pave it for you.
You have to focus on one lane. Yung lane mo lang.
Yeah.
You cannot see what other people are doing because that's distraction.
Totoo,
Titignan
no?
mo ano ginagawa nila and then iniiwan mo yung trabaho mo.
Yeah.
That's a wrong mindset.
Kasi minsan, sorry babe, to cut you. Kasi minsan kasi yung ibang tao, pag nakikita na lang, oh, si ganito parang may nag-work yung ginagawa niya, parang andali, kakayahin ko nga din. Diba? Or tapos after 6 months, ay parang ang hirap naman ng ginawa niya. Pero mas madaling ginagawa na naman ng ganito. Gagayahin mo na naman. May kanya-kanya tayong dream talaga. Naniniwala ka ba doon? Na may
100%.
kanya-kanya tayong
Yeah.
dream na binigay sa atin and you just have to follow that dream.
Yes, God
Yeah.
is always giving you a vision.
Totoo.
Yeah, I always tell you na the wealthiest place on earth is on a graveyard because
Oh,
those
yeah.
are people who had a dream na hindi nila pinalo through.
Hindi nila pinush.
Yeah, hindi nila pinush because pinapakitaan tayo talaga. I believe that pinapakitaan talaga tayo ni God ng mga visions.
Pero kasi dahil mahirap, hindi mo na ginawa.
It's not only that because their situation, right?
Yeah.
If you're the person that always find excuses to every single aspect of life, 'di ba? Kawawa ka.
Yeah.
Kawawa ka. Because if you always complain, wala kang matututunan doon.
Wait, kasi minsan, lalo pag nagpapagaling ka guys, minsan talaga napakahirap lalo pag walang nagga-guide sa'yo.
Yeah.
Minsan hindi mo alam kung excuses ba to, yung sinasabi ng utak ko, excuses ba, or totoong nararanasan ko.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Pero nasa sa'yo talaga yun to figure out.
Yeah.
Hindi pwedeng didiktahan ka ni ganito ng ganyan. O baka
100%,
excuses yan. Kasi mas kilalanin mo talaga yung sarili mo. Feeling ko excuses lang to, so I just have to push it more.
You'll
Diba?
know if it's excuses talaga. Pag nakikita mo yung isang bagay, especially when there's a problem, and then iniiwasan mo siya because of that and here and there, that is
Oh,
excuses.
okay,
You know
yeah.
that to yourself. The only person that you cannot lie to, and if you master it, is yourself. Pag
Totoo.
nag-lie ka sa sarili mo at na-master mo yon, you have a huge problem.
Yeah.
Kasi magkasama kayo niyan eh. Yung sarili mo magkasama kayo habang buhay niyan. So, you know yourself when you're lying to yourself.
I agree.
There's always a solution. Ang mentality ko kasi, it doesn't matter what that is. What needs to be done will be done. Yun yung mindset ko nung una pa lang. And that's what I've been pushing. Kaya nandito tayo ngayon eh. Right? Because I always get things done. It
Yeah.
doesn't matter how difficult that is. It doesn't matter kung may mga obstacle man dyan or may mga taong naninira or may mga kulang na kailangan nating i-achieve.
Yeah.
Things like that. What needs to be done will be done. And always remember that.
Pero ang galing mo sa execution na yun talaga, babe. Like talagang sobrang I adore you for being like that. Kasi sometimes talaga, alam mo yung ang daming uncertainties that even worry will eat you.
Yeah.
Worry will eat you and then at the same time, ay mo mga what ifs mo na wala pa
Yeah.
naman.
So,
Talagang ang dami. And then like, I don't know, who taught you to be like that? Like, what did you do to be like that? Or what route did you take? What route did you take para, alam mo yun, maiwasan mo yung ganun na mindset?
yeah. So, patibayin mo talaga yung mindset mo.
Pero hindi mo naman na-figure out yan agad.
No, it's
Papaano
overtime.
nga?
You have to do it
Kasi yung
overtime.
iba hindi nila malalaman kung hindi ka
Okay.
naman nila kasama everyday.
Yeah.
Like, parang going back, kunyari yung ako na
Yeah.
hindi kasama si Mark.
Yeah.
Kasi yung mga audience natin, for sure,
Mm.
yung paano pag nasa environment ka na sobrang toxic. And then, paano mo siya mananavigate along the way if you just wanna grow talaga and iwan talaga yung environment na yon. And
Yeah.
then, yung circle or yung mga nakapaligid sa'yo na mindset na ganun. 'Di ba? Kasi hindi agad-agad eh.
Yeah, hindi agad-agad talaga. And
Yeah.
it will take a lot of time. It will take a lot of years. But knowing this, what I know about myself now, every experience that I've experienced in the past, there's always learnings there.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Why did I take that learnings and apply that on the next thing na ma-experience ko ulit yan?
Oh.
So, it's always ask yourself why. If you don't ask yourself why, there's no growth.
Okay.
Diba? Pag hinahayaan mo lang na may nangyayari sa'yo and you're not figuring out why it's happening to you over and over
Uy,
again,
pero ang hirap talaga,
it
babe.
is hard. It is difficult. But you
Yeah.
have to master your emotion. Master the emotion of, you know, kung ano yung papapasukin mo sa head mo.
Yeah.
Diba? You have to master that. And if you are in the environment where it's very toxic, move out of that environment because you can never, like I said in our previous podcast, diba? You can never heal in the same environment you got sick from.
Yeah, that's
Diba?
true. Yeah.
So, umalis ka muna doon ka magpagaling. I think the reason, especially kung nasa Pilipinas tayo, ito yung terms natin palagi, tell me who your friends are and I tell you who you are. And that's
Oh,
reality, guys.
reality yun.
If you hang out with a lot of negative people, I'm not gonna remove you as a being positive person in that group.
Yeah.
You
Ikaw
are as
mismo.
negative as that person because you're staying.
You're staying.
If you, pag sinabi mo sa akin, hindi totoo yan, I'm a positive person. You're lying.
Yeah.
Because I was a negative person and I didn't want to be a negative person anymore. So what
Yeah.
I did, I left that environment. I
Yeah.
left that, a lot of friendship with so much negativity. Kasi sawang-sawa na akong pag-usapan ng maraming ibang tao.
Yeah.
Diba?
Lalo na
It's-
pag hindi na growth yung pinag-uusapan nyo.
Exactly. It's very different. Here,
Yeah.
when I'm talking to my mentor, it gives me a lot of energy throughout the
Oh,
months,
she's
weeks,
really a music to my
weeks
ears
and
too.
months, right? But if you're talking to one negative person in 1 hour pa lang, talagang pagod ka na. Gusto mo na talagang parang tapusin yung buhay mo.
Drain na
Kumbaga,
drain.
drain ka na. So, stay away from those kind of people. Stay away
I'm
from that
sorry.
environment.
Pero yeah, I have a comparison with that one too.
You
That's
know,
why I'm
you
laughing.
know.
Kasi I
Yes.
know talaga. Like, been there, done
Yeah.
that. And I'm not gonna do that again.
And if
Parang
you're...
hindi mo na talaga babalikan kasi ayaw mo na.
Exactly. So, kung ako kinakausap ninyo because you wanted to know more about yung kung kamusta na ako, I'll tell you everything that I've been through,
Yes.
right?
Me too.
But
No
we're not
sugarcoating.
but we're not gonna be talking other people.
Yeah.
Kung we'll just go one-on-one kung sasabihin ko sa'yo lahat ng mga
Sure.
nararanasan ko.
And it's up to you if you judge me or no, but that's the reality of what
Exactly.
happened.
Here's the
right?
thing. Once you tell me something about other people na negative, I'm looking at you,
Oh,
not
that's
that
true.
person that you're talking negative
About, yeah.
negative about.
Yeah.
Ikaw yung kausap ko ngayon. You're showing me that person that you hate so much in you right now.
That's true.
I've seen that so many times with a lot of people.
Yeah.
There are people out there that they cannot wait to tell the bad news or yung kung anong nasagap nilang information about that person and
Wala, sayang ang time. Pero alam mo
sayang,
yun,
don't waste
instead
your
na
time.
nag-hone ka na lang ng skills mo, nagpagaling ka something.
Exactly. And then
Bibigyan ko
pag-
ng pagtuunan ng pansin yung pagluluto ko para sumarap
Yeah,
naman
and then pag
today.
tinanong mo sila, okay, what we're gonna do in the future? What
Wala silang
have
masabi.
you done throughout the weeks na nag-improve ka? And then hindi sila makapagsalita. Akala nila para akong like some sort of an alien na
Yeah.
that kind of conversation is not normal to a lot of people.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Pag nag-uusap tayo sa bahay, non-stop tayo mag-uusap about growth, about the future,
How
about
can
what
we
we're going
improve? Yeah.
to do, right? How can we improve?
I agree.
It's unlimited amount of conversation my wife and I at home or kung nasa man kami. It's always about growth.
Okay, I love all the experiences that we have, babe.
Exactly.
Okay.
Because I wanted to share it. Pinag-sharean ko lang talaga is yung asawa ko.
Yeah.
And I don't actually share it with a lot of people kung what I know. Because first of all, It's okay because no one asked anyways. Wala naman nagtatanong eh.
But
So
some
I don't really answer. Hindi ako yung taong nagmamagaling na sasabihin ko sa yung mga story ko
oh,
na nakaranasan ko.
no.
I won't do
I
that.
learned it the hard
I
way
have to be
too.
quiet. Yeah.
Yeah. Minsan, ano yung mga challenge na tatakot ka pero alam mong kailangan mong harapin para mag-grow? May
Mga
mga
challenges.
Yeah, may parang mali ata yung tanong
Yeah.
ko sa'yo kasi feeling ko hindi ka na natatakot.
No, I love
No. I
challenges.
mean
Yeah.
like, yes, I know you love challenges, right?
Yeah.
But going to mark yung walang kaalam-alam pa sa
Mhm.
business.
Yeah.
Kasi for sure, itong mga gustong manood na audience natin, wala pa silang kaalam-alam, walang idea, pero gustong magsimula.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Ano yung mga challenges na tingin mo mag-hold back for them to
Mhm.
grow? Na
Yeah.
parang huwag na lang ituloy.
Yeah, first of all, a lot of people actually think that they're scared of their bills.
Oh, okay.
Takot sila sa bills nila, and
Because we
then
experienced that.
we did, and then they're actually scared of the unknown.
Okay.
Yung
Mga what
unknown.
ifs, no?
Yeah, you have no idea. I think going full time was the easiest for me to do because at that time, I mean, like I said, guys, I put time frame to everything. Yung sinabi natin 5 years, it happens 5 years.
Yeah.
Sabi ko, I believe I put like 2021, but pandemic happens. Or no, I mean, I put 2020. So, yun yung pinaka-deadline ko talaga that I'm going to go full-time. 2020 talaga. I put June 2020. But what happened is, nagka-COVID, di ba?
Mhm.
And that was out of my control. And then I pushed a little bit more, like a few more months. Like I think 10 months pa yung nag-stay pa ako sa trabaho.
Yeah.
Because of that COVID, because I didn't know if the business is going to survive,
Totoo.
or
Kasi
there's so
affected
many
tayo, di
unknown
ba?
at that time.
Affected
Yeah,
tayo
so
sa
I pushed
event
back a little
industry.
bit. Yeah, but I think the scariest one is to quit your job. Maraming taong takot because natuto na tayo dun sa may inaasahan na tayo every 2 weeks eh. And that's
Wait.
normal.
And we're gonna share something to you guys about the 9 to 5. We're not, guys, hindi namin minamasamang 9 to 5, pero ito yung natutunan namin.
Mhm.
Like, kasi it is passed on sa akin na kailangan mo maghanap ng trabaho para maging mayaman ka, status na tinatawag.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Para nirerespeto ka, para may masabing na-achieve ka. 'Di ba? Pero ang
Yeah.
totoo, guys, it is a system. It is a business as well.
Yeah.
'Di ba? And would you wanna like elaborate it with them, or
Yeah.
do you wanna share that too?
I mean, it's a system that was created by the government.
Yes,
Diba?
just in case you guys don't
Yeah.
know.
And it's a good system because it gives people hope. It gives people job. It gives people food on the table.
Yeah.
But what people don't realize is there's so much potential in them, but they cannot get that out of the box.
Basically, yeah.
Hindi sila makaalis sa
So will.
sa wheel na yan kasi paikot-ikot na lang sila.
Hindi nyo pa napapansin. There's nothing wrong
Yeah,
with that.
there's
We
nothing wrong.
respect you.
Honestly, when you go into business, it's, like I said, it's the hardest thing that you'll ever do in your life.
Yeah.
And I salute you if you guys gone through that. Diba? So that's why I respect every single business owner that I've met over the past years, that I've worked with a lot of business owner.
Yeah.
However, business is not for everyone. Diba? Kasi hindi mo talaga magagats yan.
That's
And
true.
hindi basta-basta yan. Imagine, you're thinking of like, you know what, there's going to be bills every month, the end of the month na kailangan bayaran. Saan ka kukuha? Diba? Eh, yung na-program sa'yo as a 9 to 5, there's like every 2 weeks mayroon kang pera eh.
Yeah.
But that will disappear once you go full-time with your
Full-time sa
business. And that's
Or
the
with
scary,
your dream.
yeah, and that's the scary part, diba? In the beginning. And then you realize after for a while, actually doors will open. Diba?
Totoo. Maraming opportunity ang mag-open.
Maraming
Marami
opportunity
kang
mag-open.
matututunan.
Yeah, and then makaka-focus ka lang talaga how to run your own business. Kung paano mo lang siya i-run. Yun na yung focus mo. You're not thinking about 9 to 5. You're not thinking about your boss or anything like that. You're gonna be thinking how you're going to grow the business and how are you going to get those clients in order for you to pay the bills,
Yeah.
especially when you have staff
Or
thing.
even yung mga decision mo na, alam mo yun, hindi akma pero nagawa mong
Yeah.
desisyon.
But yun kasi,
Ang daming learnings.
yeah, maraming tao talaga natatakot mag full-time. And I get it. It's normal. It's a normal response of human being, di ba?
Yeah.
Pero protektahan ka talaga ng mind mo na, oh, you know what, that's danger, danger, danger. Sabi nga ni Rob Dial is like, when you see, mayroon tayong radar na nakakaradar ng danger. And
That's a
those are
fight or
very,
flight response.
those are just basic, di ba?
Yeah.
Like anong makakain natin and things like that. And they're always scared, di ba? But the truth is, once you go full-time, doors will open and you get more clients. Trust me. I've been there. I've talked to every single business owner din kung ano yung experience
Ganon
nila
din
doon.
sila.
Ganon din. Pare-parehas kami lahat. Doors will open once you go full-time. And don't wait for next year, few years from now. Again, put the deadline, guys. Kung
Yeah.
2 years ka magtatrabaho ng 9 to 5 mo.
Aralin mo lahat yung about sa
Yeah.
negosyo nung pinagtatrabahuan mo
Exactly.
ngayon and then i-apply mo sa business mo in the future.
And a lot of misconception about being a business owner with the business na marami ka ng pera. No. You're gonna be broke for a long, long time.
Unless
And-
tumama ka siguro.
Yeah, unless sumama ka ng loto siguro. But you're gonna be broke for a long time.
Pero may mga ganun din, yung natsambahan daw nila, pero I don't think tsamba, it's a hard work talaga.
No, don't believe that. Yeah. So, when it comes to business, guys, maraming mga tao talaga na entitled din na, don't get me wrong, I'm so grateful to the people that help us to get to where we are today. But some people hold grudges talaga pag tumulong sila sa'yo.
Oh.
Tapos hindi mo na daw sila kilala. 'Di ba? There are people like that. But you know what? They're not the one who's pushing every single day to become better every day.
Yeah.
They're not the
It's
one.
hard work.
Maybe they're the people who show the opportunity and you grab it, but it's always you.
Totoo.
'Di ba? Ikaw yung nagtatrabaho, ikaw yung gumigising ng araw-araw ng maaga, ikaw yung nakipag-usap sa mga kliyente, ikaw yung nagsasacrifice for the time of your family, for the time of, like pleasure, 'di ba? Kung may mga sports kayo diyan, whatever, or may mga hangout kayo with friends, you're no longer doing it because you're pushing your business, and that's just the reality. I think a lot of people actually in social media, there's so many misconceptions on social media that when you're a millionaire, maraming you're like the fun guy to be around with. But no, I think I realize now that billionaires and millionaires are the most boring people that you'll ever meet in your life. Right? Sila yung pinaka-boring talaga. Because you know why? Some of them don't drink. Some of them don't go party.
Yeah, most of them
Right?
I think.
Some of them don't even want to spend their money. Even kahit yung...
Tatawad pa yung mga yan.
Yeah, kahit yung Starbucks yan, hindi sila mag-Starbucks ng mga yan. Because they know how valuable the money is. They know, alam nila kung gaano ka-valuable ng pera na pinaghirapan nila.
Yeah.
And again, they are the most boring people that you'll ever
Siguro
meet
may
in your
mga
life.
type din. Yung mga na-meet mo lang siguro kasi yun yung mga type na ganun na side. Pero yung iba kasi sa social media, how they spend, they have their own yacht, they have their own luxuries
I believe
and
that that's
stuff.
for a show. I mean, like, we're a media company, so I know how to make that work. But in reality, you'll see them. Sino ba
Grabe,
nagsabi
no?
nito sa akin? Yeah, show me your calendar and I'll show you who you are as a person.
Oh.
'Di ba? Honestly, it's not, when it comes to business or when it comes to success, it's not about the things that you're doing. It's about the things that you're not doing, right? Meaning you don't go party every weekends. You
The
don't drink.
sacrifices.
You don't smoke. You don't, you don't hang out with negative people. And to tell you the truth, I'll be happier if I just by myself, diba? Or with my family. That's it. I don't need a lot of friends. I don't need a lot of people around
Kung
me.
waste of time din lang, wag na.
Exactly. Kaya anong pag-uusapan namin, di ba? I would rather be with my family or I just be alone. Especially kung nandito ako sa studio, di ba?
True.
So, those are the things.
Wait, baka na naman sabihin dahil narcissist.
Hmm.
Baka ayaw mo lang talaga ng growth kaya nasasabi mong narcissist.
What narcissist?
You know, some people, they tend to tell that, like, if, alam mo yun, yung narcissistic personality and stuff like that, But, you know, at the
Well,
end
tell
of
me the definition of narcissist to you.
well, i-Google nyo na lang guys. Hindi ako doktor. Hindi din ako magda-diagnose ng someone
Mhm.
else, you know. Pero yun kasi yung parang naririnig ko na parang, um, kasi may mga contents ako na sinasabi na if you wanna grow, yun nga, don't hang out with negative people, mga ganyan.
Mhm.
Baka ikaw kasi yung negative, baka kasi ikaw yung toxic. Ganyan.
Well,
At the
yeah.
end of the day, you have your own lane. We're sharing this if you wanna grow. But if you don't wanna grow, then it's up to you. I
Yeah,
mean, like, you
exactly.
know, at the end of the day, it's your life. And if you're happy with your life, I respect that. But some people, they really wanna, you know, get out of that. You know, yung nandito na, hanggang dito na lang ba tayo moment.
Yeah. Just get
Kasi
closer.
there's next to that, di ba?
Yeah, there's more into that
There's
one. Yeah.
more.
Yeah. And
And I think yung mga nagsasabi ng ganun, don't get me wrong, pero yun yung ayaw na ng growth.
usually people who says negative things to other people
Sila
are
yung
their
negative.
insecurities. Yung insecurities nila. They cannot
Di mo
reach
maamin
the
sa sarili mo.
level that they've achieved. And then the best way to do it is to just throw random criticism.
Yeah.
Diba?
Shit.
And make sure when you guys are having a conversation with someone that telling you this and that, do a fact checking.
That's true.
Check nyo kung valid ba yung sinasabi nila. Check mo kung, how many times this person lied to me in the past. Diba?
Totoo. Or may result ba sila? Kung wala namang
Exactly.
result, ba't
If they
ako
do
maniniwala?
have a result, diba? And again, the best advice that I've got as well is like, don't get advice from someone who don't want it to be.
I
Diba?
know.
Alangan naman magtanong ako sa mga taong hindi naman business owner and then
Tapos sasabihin constructive
I'm
criticism
gonna
daw.
ask how I can grow my business, right? No, guys. Find that someone that you want it to be and ask that person exactly how I found my mentor.
Yeah.
Diba? That's the person that I wanted to be. That's the value that I wanted to keep myself. And that's the standard that I wanted to be. What I said, I do.
Yeah.
Diba?
For
But-
sure, sorry babe, bato ka dyan. For sure, maniniwala ka lang sa constructive criticism sa mentor mo.
Exactly.
Oo, kasi siya
Siya
lang naman tanong
nagsabing
gusto
negative
mo eh.
about the things that I'm doing, then I'll take that as a
Yeah.
positive. But if someone told me, kung wala ka naman napatunayan sa sarili mo,
Tapos nagko-constructive criticism
nagko-constructive
ka.
criticism ka pa. I mean, like, naglolokohan lang tayo dito.
Come on.
We're not kids anymore. You
Yeah.
cannot fool me.
Yun yung sinasabi ko guys sa mga nagko-comment ng negative. Kasi ako, I take it talaga positively.
Yeah.
Lagi kong sinasabi, ay hindi ako to. Kilala ko tong sarili ko.
Exactly.
Projection mo yan ng sarili mo. Kasi nakilala mo lang ako sa 3 minutes ng short clip ko, kumbaga.
Mhm.
Pero the way you think it, it's so wild. Negative na agad yung pinasok mo. Kawawa yung thoughts mo. Kasi in the next 3 minutes ng video ko, negative thoughts yung pinapasok.
Yeah, kasi nakakaawa naman.
so
Nakakaawa
sad.
naman kasi yung mga mindset na ganyan. Especially
Yeah.
yung mga old generation. Nasa 50s, 60 na mga lolo at auntie natin or whatever. Their mindset is so broken to the point that, something has to change. Diba? Kasi yung napasa na sa generation, tapos papasa pa nila sa mga anak nila yun.
Totoo.
Diba? Yung napaka-negative na mindset na ganun. Diba? Yung tipong magkamali ka lang, talagang papagalitan ka na. Diba?
Yeah.
So, again guys, if that's your bloodline, you'll see that throughout the years. Yung kanununuhan nyo, yung lolo nyo, yung papa nyo, yung mama nyo, yung auntie nyo, yung mga kapatid niya. If they have the same mindset, ikaw yung magpuputol nun.
You have
As a
to.
person, if you know it's wrong, it's wrong.
Yes.
Make it right.
Yeah.
Diba? Kung alam mong negative na yung pamilya mo, go change that. Diba? Pave your own path.
True.
Pave your own lane.
Kahit ano pang sabihin nila, kahit kapamilya mo pa yan.
Kahit kapamilya mo. That's the hardest part talaga. Of growing because of your family. Hindi ka makaalis doon. Kasi ganyan na sila eh.
No,
ganyan yung
it's your
pamilya
life.
ko, so ako naman ganito. Imagine, ipapasa mo yan yung negativity na yan sa anak mo. And then yung anak mo, ipapasa niya yan sa next anak niya. And then yung next anak niya. And then
Hindi
it
na
just continues the
natapos.
generation. Diba? Nang ganun na lang. Kasi that's how your bloodline, work in the past. And now, wala kang ginawa para change yan. If you grew up poor, you should be the first person in your family to become a millionaire. you should be the first person.
Yeah.
Dapat ikaw yun. And don't blame your parents because those are kids that just grew up and became adult that they didn't know kung anong ginagawa nila growing up. Don't be like them.
Pero don't be like them.
Exactly.
Hardship and struggles niya along the way that I cannot take it myself, na pag ako yung nandun, baka ano nang nagawa ko sa sarili ko. But you are so brave and I adore you. Like, wow, na nagawa mo pala yun.
Yeah, and there's a reason why I'm like this. Diba?
Yeah.
Hardship,
I love
grit,
you.
perseverance. I have everything. Diba?
Well,
And
pinagaling mo din naman kasi yung sarili mo, hindi na lang basta-basta.
Oh yeah, it's so good to yung i-hone mo yung sarili mo talaga, guys. And don't worry about other people. Don't worry about your friends. Don't worry about your family. The family
Worry
that you
about
build.
you.
Worry about you and the family that you build. It doesn't matter where your kung ano yung pamilyang where you came from. Forget about them. If you are not aligned with their values and standard, diba? Don't talk to them. I don't care. Wag mo silang kausapin.
Yeah.
Come back when you're successful. Diba? And even then, pag bumalik ka na successful, tutulungan mo sila, they will still say bad things about you, regardless. So, might as well, diba? Because imagine, you're going to pass this on. Yung legacy mo na binild mo, ipapasa mo to sa mga next generation, yung magiging apo mo, yung magiging anak ng mga apo mo, you
Yeah.
know, and things like that. And then kung negative yung napasa mong legacy, then wala.
Yeah.
Negative din yung mga magiging roots ng bloodline mo. You don't want that.
That's true.
Diba? 100 years from now, we'll be dead anyways.
Yeah.
But
yeah.
ano ba yung, kasi I always say this to myself, nilagay tayo ni Papa God dito for a reason. And whatever that reason is, you have to fulfill it. Diba? And I always tell to God's like, use me to help a lot of people
It should
in
be.
any other way. Right?
Yeah.
And yung kasi mga misconception ng mga young generation nowadays, they wanted to start their business to make a lot of money.
Not material
you're
stuff.
making a lot of money now working 9 to 5
Mm-mm.
if you just know how to handle it,
That's true.
right? If you want more, then get into business, but make sure na tama yung tawag dun, you're going after.
That's true.
If you're going after growth, that's why you're starting your business, good. If you're going to help a lot of people, that's why you're starting your business, good.
Yeah.
But if you're going to start
Kumita
a business
ng
para kumita ng pera, you're doing it in the wrong way. A lot of wrong ways.
Mapapagod ka 3 days pa lang.
Mapagod ka kasi you cannot be, there's 3 years na hindi kami nabayaran ni Rose. 3 years, the 4th year, we were making a little bit of money.
Yeah. Okay, next question. Ano yung habit or routine na kailangan mong panindigan araw-araw para sa growth mo?
Yeah, so
Have you mentioned that a while ago?
yeah, I think
or-
I mentioned that a little bit a while ago, but it's the habit.
You said, sorry, babe, you
Yeah.
said a while ago, going back. So, like a habit is that you have to put like timeline every day to
Mhm.
meet that goal. You mentioned a while ago that you have 3 critical tasks that you have
Correct,
to
yeah.
push every day for your growth.
Yeah.
Right? And then, what else can you add up after that?
So make sure your standard is high,
Mhm.
right? Yung standard mo ba is to get one things done lang, not the 3 of them. That's your standard. So make sure you raise
Oh.
that.
Mhm.
It's 3, it's 3.
Kasi kung kunyari, ay okay, natapos ko na yung isa, parang ganun.
Yeah.
Niloko mo na naman yung sarili mo kasi may 2 pa, alam mo, pero
Yeah, because that's your
settle
standard.
for less ka
Yeah,
na naman.
that's your standard. It's your standard to make a certain amount of money,
Mhm.
diba? And if that's not your standard, you can never get that much money.
That's true.
If you want achievement, if your standard is very high to that achievement, that's going to be your standard. It doesn't matter kung anong ginagawa mo. If your standard is very, very low, diba? Everybody
When
can do
when
that.
you say low, is it like achievable? Easy to achieve? So make it like harder at some point? Sorry, can you elaborate more about that?
So if you put a higher standard to yourself,
Mhm.
diba? For example, if your standard is to work out 2 hours, diba? You don't go there for 15 minutes.
Oh yeah. Okay.
You gotta go higher. If your goal is to make I don't know, maybe $30,000 a year, that is your standard,
Okay.
diba? But raise that to the highest amount if you can.
Yeah, but it should be like realistic, you think, or how?
It is go through the data,
Yeah.
diba? Realistic means for me realistically pag sinabing realistic kasi I want to see some data. So means like if someone has done that before in that certain amount of time. That's realistic
Oh.
sa akin yan. Wishful thinking is like if someone hasn't done it yet,
Pero pili mo gusto mong i-beat, ganon.
yes, pero kaya mo a bit. However, it could be possible. Because like I said, you're not limiting yourself to a certain thing.
Yeah.
You have to go higher talaga. So at least, if you don't meet your standard, yung di mo na meet yung goal na gusto mo sa standard mo, at least you get close to it. If $1 million a year is what you're after, then if you made it like 900,000,
99.
yeah, 900,000 a year, it's still very close to your standard you set up to yourself. Nai-reach mo.
Yeah.
So, di ba? And again, it's limiting belief minsan kasi.
Okay.
Minsan nakaklag yung utak natin what we know lang based on our experience in the past. But
Okay.
find somebody that can lead you to break through that barrier na, oh, mayroon pa pala dito sa, after ng wall na to, na na-stuck na ako kasi I'm doing it over and over again. That's where the mentorship comes in,
Yeah.
right? So it's a
That is
very
so important, guys.
it's very important. Mentorship is very, very important. Find someone that you love, find someone that aligns with your value
And belief, yeah.
and belief, and then just ask, how did you get to where you are today?
Mm-mm.
Can you be my mentor? Can you
Yeah.
teach me everything you need to know? How many times? I think we did an experiment with Elon Musk. Di ba?
Oh, guys,
Yung,
yeah.
sabi mo kay Ross, mag-post ka. Itong sabihin mo sa kanila. Yung
Oh yeah, so
nililinisan mo siya.
if may chance na maglilinis ka sa washroom ni Elon Musk, would you do it for free?
Yeah.
And then a lot of my audience said no.
Kasi marami ng pera si Elon
Marami
Musk.
na daw pera si
See
Elon
that,
Musk.
guys? I mean, my mindset, I would have just jumped it right away. If he offers to clean his toilet for free for a day, I'll do it right away. It doesn't matter
Yeah.
kung if I was making millions and millions of dollars, because that person knows something that I don't. And
Madami siyang
just
alam
getting
din, yeah.
close to that person, get to talk to him, get to even not talk to him, get to observe him how he does things.
Yeah, kung
Man.
dugyot ba yung bathroom na Just joking.
I mean,
Sorry.
yeah.
Hindi kasi
Putting the joke aside, but the reality, guys, is
Mm-hmm.
that person knows a lot of things that a lot of people don't know. If you can get that piece of information to give you a little bit of growth to yourself, or not even
Yeah.
a little bit, it's like exponential growth.
Or
I'll
even
do it
yung
for free.
Or even yung system man lang nila, 'di ba? Yung sa bahay niya, how do they handle it, 'di ba?
You
For sure
can.
yung mga circle niya,
Yeah.
yung mga chef niya doon, andun
Yeah,
din,
and
ganyan.
ito yung gusto kong i-master niyo guys. Master the power of observation, because this is very, very important.
Yun, ma-observe mo pa.
Ma-observe mo talaga yung person that you wanted to become, and then how they do things, how they react, how their movements, even their hand movements na ginagawa nila, you will see it, diba?
Yeah.
Kasi there's this guy that I really wanted to become, and then I'm just mimicking his movement talaga.
Yeah.
And it's a very, very, it's really good. It feels good.
Yeah.
And you know what? That guy made millions and millions of dollars,
Yeah.
right? And Elon Musk, if I can get to him just to observe him in one day, I will know so much
'Di ba?
about that person without
Even
opening
his
his mouth.
routine, mga
Yeah.
ganun.
100%. I would do that. I would clean his washroom. I can do his groceries or whatever, just to
Yeah.
get close to that person and
See guys,
observe
like
it.
test pa lang yun, free mentorship na yun.
Yeah,
You failed because you're chasing for money.
exactly. Do you know how much people charge nowadays for mentorship? A lot.
A lot because it's their time that you're gonna waste.
Exactly, especially if it's like if it's like a millionaire, 'di ba? Yung mentor ko nga 30 minutes lang pwedeng ibigay sa akin, and that alone is more than enough for me to grow.
Yeah,
And
that's
I'm
true.
so grateful on that.
Sobrang grateful.
Yeah.
And then guys, if I can just hang out with her all the time, I will.
Exactly.
Because
'Cause you'll know
she
more.
is,
You'll know more.
she's like a music to my ear talaga. I keep on
Mm-hmm.
saying that because like when I get out from a meeting with her, I'm like, para akong galing simbahan.
Correct, yeah.
But in the business side of things, which
So,
is super cool. Okay, next question. I think we're gonna push more with this stuff in the future kasi ikaw naman yung co-host ko.
mhm.
And it's holiday, so guys, naka-break din po ako. Huwag niyo akong hahanapan ng guest ngayon kasi deserve ko din mag-Christmas break and New Year's break. Okay. Um, Sino yung tao or grupo na gusto mong makasama ngayong taon para lumago ka sa life at business? I think you answered that.
Mhm.
What do you want to answer it again?
Yeah, well, I mean, like, I just want to stay with my family.
Yeah, yun yung
Yeah,
sinabi mo kanina.
that's all I need.
Ayan.
I don't need anyone else.
I think, do you believe na, kasi parang na-observe ko to
Mhm.
do you believe that sometimes it comes with the age?
Mhm.
Because the younger you are, parang mas gusto mong makikonnect sa mga kasing age mo din. Teenager, ganyan,
Mhm.
nasa 20s din, ganyan, di ba?
Yeah.
Pero I think nung pagtungtong ko ng 30s, hindi ko alam guys correct me, or kung ako lang ba yun. Nung pagdating ko na ng 30s, I see to it na yung ka-hangout ko, mas madaming information about me, not sa age group ko.
Mhm.
Kasi, alam mo yun, mas gusto ko ka-hangout yung mga mas ahead of the game na,
Yeah.
more experience na sa buhay para
Yeah.
matuto ako sa kanila.
100%.
Parang
Yeah.
ganun. Hindi ko alam kung, and then, what I noticed about my mom is that, like, lagi niya sinasabi sa akin, kasi kino-question ko dati, bakit tatatlo lang yung kaibigan mo? Ganun talaga ako sa kanya
Mhm.
nun.
Yeah.
'Di ba? And then she mentioned that, you'll realize it when you grow up. Sabi niya ganyan na, you don't need a lot of friends. Pero tayo kasi pag high school ka, ikaw yung ang daming kagrupo, ang daming barkada, kilala
Yeah.
ka, yung mga ganong bagay.
Yeah.
Pero I think as you grow older, your circle, yung mas liliit sila, mas kukonti sila.
That's true.
I think siguro yung mentor mo dapat yung tatanungin ko dito.
It's it's
Kasi
good to
same tayo ng
yeah,
age
it's good to hang out with older people kasi yung mga naranasan nila sa buhay.
Pwede din yung sa younger
Pwede rin, yeah.
generation
You
para
should
maalam
mix
mo
and
din.
match
Oo, oo.
to gather information kasi yung mga kasi batang 90s tayo eh. So
Oo.
yung sa
Mga
atin is different.
2000s, mga ganyan na
It's
na
completely different, yeah.
Yeah.
So imagine that if you can actually hang out with younger generation and older generation.
O yung anak na natin, kahangout natin pala.
Yeah. Yung anak na, yeah, si Zafina.
Yeah,
we
madami tayong
always,
natututunan sa kanya.
yeah, because she's telling us things that, we didn't realize that things exist. Yung mga ganyang mga bagay,
Oo.
di ba?
Yung mga bago
Kasi
na ngayon.
generation na nila yan, especially with social media, right?
Yeah.
The younger generation. And older generation as well, you'll learn so much about life sa kanila.
Yeah.
As long as it's not negative person that you're talking to,
Oh, totoo.
they'll tell you everything about life. And it becomes very simple, diba?
Yeah.
Just enjoy life to the fullest talaga.
Yeah, and learn as much as
Yeah.
you can. Ang sarap matuto.
Yeah, exactly. Live full, die empty,
Mm-mm.
right? Because hindi mo na madadala lahat yan pag namatay ka na eh.
True.
Pero madadala mo is the memories with people, with experiences with people. So, always be nice to people.
Yeah.
Kasi yun yung mag-stay talaga eh when you're gone on this
Who
earth.
you really are.
Yes. Kung
Not
ano
what
yung
you
mga na-touch mo na heart.
I agree.
Diba?
Guys,
So,
thank you so much ha. Yung mga nagme-message sa akin from Saudi Arabia, from around the globe, Japan, I cannot even, oh my God, I cannot even say how thankful I am, guys, for your messages. Like yung mga na-touch ng mga guests ko, yung mga life nila, yung mga helpful na knowledge na natutunan nyo din. I'm also learning, and thank you so much for being so appreciative with all of my contents that we're putting into.
Yeah.
Diba? Kasi I'm showing up because of this purpose that I have. Diba? And I think talaga, or I believe talaga na every one of us deserve a mentor, 'di ba?
well, yeah, everyone deserve a guidance.
A
The people who's
guidance.
done it before.
I think kailangan ko ding i-guest talaga next time. What do you think?
Pwede rin.
Yung mga mas bata sa atin.
100%.
So we have insights from them kung ano nang nangyayari sa generation nila, yung mga topic nila, ganyan din.
Yeah.
I think, I'm gonna do that. may mga Canada-based and then may mga Philippines-based din kasi we're planning to go back home soon.
Yeah.
Soon talaga.
We will. We'll invite some guests.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I just wanted to tell you guys that kung may mga high mindset kayo and then yung self-development nyo is very, very high, share it to people.
Share it to
All
people.
the
I think
information.
lahat
Yeah.
ng mga
Kung mas
nandun
marami
na
tayo, guys,
growth.
it's better so that we can make this world better. Diba?
Yeah.
Make a difference.
Make a difference
Yeah,
every
so
day.
keep pushing, guys. Kung ano yung mga natutunan nyo, share to social media. I love watching people who succeed
Yeah.
because that's what I want, diba?
Yeah.
I'm happy when I'm seeing people succeed. It doesn't matter kung yung personal growth ninyo,
Kasi you're seeing other people,
spiritual or
diba?
any other
Yeah.
aspect of life, because I wanted to see your input. Gusto kong nakikita yung
And what's possible
what's
to be
possible,
done.
what are the things that hindi ko natutunan na natutunan ninyo. So,
Ang saya.
yeah, exactly.
And then, yeah, thank you din sa mga audience ko na nagli-leave ng comments about their experiences. Kasi nga, I'm learning as well sa kanila, sa
Yeah.
point of view nila, yung mga insights nila. Kasi minsan, naniniwala talaga ako na may mga bagay din ako na hindi nakikita sa vision ko, na magkaiba kami ng vision. Oh, may point siya. Maganda yung point niya.
Mhm.
'Di ba? So, I love that too. Yung mga ganon. Nag-share tayo ng wisdom, knowledge,
Yeah.
information. That's
Yeah.
amazing.
And if there's someone that needs to validate you guys, needs to be your spouse. Kasi sila yung talaga
Mhm.
nakakita sa'yo everyday eh. Na may mga things na, mga bagay na hindi mo nakikita, they'll tell you that.
Yeah.
Right?
I'm enjoying so much like also the community that I'm building sa Facebook or across platforms, even in TikTok. 'Di ba? Like kasi minsan pag nag-share ako or most of the time pag nag-share ako ng yun nga ng mga contents ganyan, binabalidate din nila na oh, andito ako ngayon sa Japan, ganyan din yung na-experience namin, or andito ako sa Europe, ganyan din,
Mhm.
same din. Andito ako sa US, hindi ko naman na-experience yan. Yung mga ganong bagay, like, oh, so talagang may kanya-kanya pala tayong mga experiences and then we can learn from each other, 'di ba? Which is
100%.
ang saya.
Yeah. That's what we want. That's what we want, guys. So,
Yeah, thank you so much.
thank you for watching.
Happy holidays.
Happy
and
holidays, guys. And we'll see you again next year.
next year na for sure.
Yeah,
I
so
want
few
to
more
have an
days.
episode with you at least man lang once a month. Para may ano tayo, may gap din naman na
Mhm.
hindi na lang puro like may guest,
Yeah.
ganyan. Kasi gusto ko din naman guys, yung parang yung learnings din namin ma-share namin sa inyo, 'di ba?
Yeah, as a couple.
As a couple.
Yeah, kasi kayo dapat yung pinaka-strong talaga together.
Ito kasi kung wala siya, wala din akong standpoint, wala akong content, guys.
Yeah, exactly. So you work as a team, and again, and make
Yeah.
sure whatever yung mga natutunan ninyo, share it.
Mm-mm.
Share, because we're making a better world, guys, for our next generation.
Next generation
For the
talaga.
people that will never meet. Yun yung
Yeah.
mga, 100 years from now na mga tao. Diba? And let's just do it for them.
Yeah. Let's just show up for them.
Yeah. Thank you
Yeah.
so much, guys. Thank you for watching.
Thank you so much for
Okay,
watching.
bye for now.
Bye.